Hello everyone. In earlier videos, we have discussed about different examples of the motion and how to describe the motion. In this video, we will discuss about different types of the motion. So there are four types basically we will consider. First is straight line motion. As you can see in this picture. So this girl, she is walking on this rope and she is walking in a straight path. She is supposed to walk on that rope in a straight path. And for walking, she is using this wooden stick to balance her weight. She has to travel in a straight path. If she don't follow that straight path, she will fall down. So in real life conditions also, sometimes few objects they have to travel, they must travel in the straight line path. Deviation from that straight line path is not allowed for that objects. Second is a circular motion. As you can see, this boy, he is rotating the spherical ball using this string. By making of this string, he is rotating the spherical ball. He is making one circular orbit around himself. There is one axis I have shown here. So around this axis or around himself, he is creating this circular orbit. He will rotate it. He will rotate that ball. He will rotate in one particular position. He will throw the ball. So this is one wonderful example of a circular motion. Another type of the example is rotate or rotating motion. So this is one table fan. So in this table fan, there are three blades. The three blades which are mounted on shaft. And as the shaft will rotate, these three blades along with that shaft, they will rotate and wind will come out of the fan. So this is one kind of a rotating motion where these blades will rotate along with the rotating that shaft. One more motion is vibrate or vibrational motion or vibration. The swing machine, we know everyone, the needle of the swing machine, it moves up and down, and this up and down motion will be in a continuous manner. So continuously this up and down motion is an example of a vibration. This is also one kind of a motion. And the last type is combination of all above motions. So whatever the straight line motion, circular motion, rotating motion and vibration, what we have discussed through some examples. So combinations of all those motions, it is possible for a particular object, and combining all the straight line, circular, rotating, vibrational motion is also one kind of motion. Rather than this, one more type, two more types actually, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So what is this uniform motion and non-uniform motion? We will discuss in the coming videos. Thank you.